What's up, nature world? Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, The Wild Nature Boy. Using my custom rod right here. And I'm gonna show y'all what I got on it and what I'm using for bait. Come on, little fishy. This live fish is my bait because I'm trying to catch something big. You dig? There go the trophy. What you got? Time to throw him out there and see what's gonna happen. To be continued. You did. We outside. Well, me and my team outside. Hopefully y'all see this rod. My boy over there. Today may be his day. Today may be his day. He catching. Today may be his day. But we gonna see. We gonna see. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Today his day. Look at him. Trying to catch all the fish. Hey, y'all subscribe, share, and like the content. And stay tuned. I will be reporting again if I pull something big out that water. It is.